Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about dividing monomials. Answering the question, what is the quotient of 4x raised to 4 and 2x? So when we encounter the word quotient, it is referring to dividing two numbers. So in this case, let's translate the question, what is the quotient of 4x raised to 4 and 2x? So here, 4x raised to 4 will be our dividend. So the first number being mentioned after the word quotient is called the dividend. And the second number being mentioned here is our divisor. Okay, divisor. So when we translate this, so it will be written in this form, which is 4x raised to 4 divided by 2x. So we can rewrite this into a fraction form, wherein our dividend will be the numerator. So 4x raised to 4 will be in the numerator, and our divisor will be our denominator. So 2x will be placed under 4x raised to 4. And when we divide monomials, we divide the coefficient by the coefficient, variable by the variable. And when we divide variables, we will use the loss of exponent, which is the quotient rule, wherein we copy the base and then subtract the exponents. Okay, so let's simplify this. So first, let's divide our coefficient by our coefficient. So 4 divided by 2, that will be 2. Then we divide x raised to 4 and x. So we copy the base, x, and then subtract the exponent. So our exponent of our numerator, which is 4, minus the exponent of our denominator, which is 1. So 4 minus 1, that will be 3. So let's simplify this. So our quotient for these two monomials will be 2x raised to 3. And that will be our final answer. Ta-da! Alright, and that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.